Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2014 Royal Enfield Continental GT. This is Enfield's classic retro cruiser motorcycle. Has a 535cc 4-stroke single-cylinder engine, fuel injected, 5-speed transmission. This bike has very low miles. Only has 3,200 miles on the odometer. This fuel-injected single-cylinder engine has the classic Enfield thump, modern disc brakes, low seat height. These are really fun to ride around town. Great classic looks and a great deal at only $38.95 with finance options available. Stop on by at Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach that 408 730-0600.